In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to change IB in Vantage. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and definitely you'll need to go up to vantagemarkets.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Once from here, you should be looking something like this once you get inside of your account. And now from here, you'll need to go up to the right hand corner and go over to your profile picture right here, and then click on go to profile. Now once from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll simply need to go over to where it says verification and then head over to transfer IB, CPA, and sales. Once from here, it should be looking something like this. And now from here, you'll be able to add in the partnership type where you'll need to choose IB or any of these other ones right here. And you'll see that you can add a CPA, affiliate code, and IB number if you want to do that by clicking right here and the reason for a transfer. And then you can click confirm that I closed all open positions and you agree to transfer all my trading account to the new IB, CPA, and sales account. Once from here, you'll simply need to click submit, and then from here, within 72 hours, it will say whether or not it has been transferred over. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!